name is Al Savory. I am the owner and CEO of A1 Mobile Detailing. We're based out of Northridge, California. We've been in business for a little over 3 years, and we are eco-friendly. Today we're going to show you how to wash your car. We're going to apply some water to it, get all the dirt off of it. And at that point, after that, we're going to use a microfiber mitten and some soap, and we're going to soap the entire car down. Okay, so what we're doing right now, we're applying the soap. I like to apply my soap from top to bottom. Hit all the top of the vehicle first, windshield, and then come down and work it here on the windows, doors. I like to keep my washes in a front to back motion. Just kind of makes it much easier to do. Go on to the back here. After that, we're going to rinse it off. Again, you want to go from top to bottom. You want to make sure you get all the soap off of the top of the vehicle. Dry it off with a microfiber towel, and you'll see our finished product. You can do this procedure in the sun, in the shade. This particular soap, which is again an eco-friendly soap, won't harm your paint at all. It's actually good for your paint. And once we've completely dried the vehicle, our finished product looks like so.